What is good, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. I ended up getting stopped out of break even today, and it edged my stop loss, and then I got stopped at break even. So yeah, let's go over it. Going into today, I mean, just bearish. Just look at it. Clear sell model. We did dump a good amount during previous sessions. Yeah, we did dump like over 300 points overnight. So I was expecting some chop, and I was gonna be careful going into today. Then yeah, I also wanted to see us how we would react out of this low right here. If we would like continue displacing through it, then I could expect this low. But if we soup it and then displace out of it, then I could expect higher. And that's what happened. We ended up souping this low, and we started displacing higher. I was looking for a potential Jura swing, um, a Juras long, but there wasn't really an entry. We didn't get this 1 minute inverse. We ended up getting the close over there. We did also have this. The only, like the best entry that I see was this 3 minute inverse. The only thing that wasn't like too good, but it was so good because like after swooping this low and displacing like this, I feel like we're obviously gonna go to this on a field 15 minute fair value gap and even this one because after dumping this hard, then you could expect a big rebalance like that. So yeah, and but we were also inside this 5 minute fair value gap, so I ended up getting a close right there. Uh, but on this case, taking this 3 minute inverse is fine since it's a Judas swing, and that's the only time that taking a lower time frame inversion for my model is okay. I mean, there's other times where it's okay, but it's really like sub discretionary. So yeah, and then going into the trade that I took, um, so we ended up opening up this 4 hour fair value gap right here. So that was my draw. I still had that like as a draw liquidity, and we ended up tapping this hourly fair value gap right here, and then we ended up having data highs. And the reason that I think that this fell down, it wasn't like I would say it was 8 A rated, not A plus, just because of the way that 10 a.m. open. As you can see, we had news, and 10 a.m. ended up opening higher up to this hourly fair value gap. So that's not like too ideal, but I was still bullish overall, and I still wanted us to see us tap this 4 fair value gap. So yeah, so then we ended up opening up this 15-minute fair value gap right here, and we also tapped this 5 minute fair value gap right here, and then we ended up getting the highest time frame inversion on this leg was a 30 second. So you can see we got this 30 second right here. There was also another 30 second, this small one right here. I didn't want to take that one because it's a 30 second and it's like super small. For me to take a 30 second, it has to be like an obvious one, and like just like this one. And yeah, we ended up displacing it with like strength. So yeah, I really like that. But you could have taken this one, okay, as well. Go break even here. It was good. I just didn't really have the conviction for it. But I did for this one. And then my target was at a high so for like a 1.2 RR. I was gonna go break even at the CE of this 2 minute wick, so like right there. Uh, Maybe I could have gone at like the 5 minute. I don't know. I just wanted, yeah, I guess I could have gone break even like right there, and we did end up rejecting the 5 minute, consequent encroachment of the 5 minute with like top TikTok shit. So I guess that I could have found break even there, but yeah, I mean either way it was still a break even trade. Then we ended up going lower. I almost got stopped out, but I didn't. The SMT saved me, and then I moved my new break even to this side right here, and then boom, I got stopped at break even. And so yeah, um, the reason that I think that this failed is because we got a 10 a.m. open higher, so that wasn't like too ideal. But yeah, um, trying to think of something else. Oh yeah, and I did actually take on my evil I ended up having a losing day. I ended up like on my evil. I did end up taking this 30 second on my evil. I took like a fuck ton of trades on my evil. That's it. Like that's the problem that I have. I take like stupid trades on my evil. Like I took this 1 minute short right there after tapping a 15-minute fair value gap and unfilled 5 minute fair value gap. But the reason that it wasn't good and why I didn't take it on my founder is because we're just overall bullish. We sub this low, and then you would expect if this was gonna work out, you would have expected us. Was this on a 5 minute? What? What was this one right here? Yeah. You could have expected us to tap this 5 minute fair value gap and then go higher. And then yeah. And then I also did take this short right here, 1 minute inverse, to the 5 minute fair value gap here. I ended up getting stop rated and I got stop at break even as you can see. Then it went to my take profit. And then once again, it's so ugly. It looks, it is over trading on my evil. Like it's super bad. I actually have to like fix that shit because I'm taking like trades that I shouldn't be on my evil just because I feel like it's like a practice account. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta fix that. But yeah, then I took this 30 second right here with my stop right here, and then take profit there. 125 RR. But yeah, and then yeah, I ended up getting stop at break even, and then I ended up once we got this 2 minute inverse, I ended up going. I don't know. For value up, I ended up just kind of taking the on my eval because I was still pretty confident on data highs. So I wanted to like give it a try in my eval, but yeah, and it didn't play out sadly. I did also get $1 my funded futures evil. So I got that and I took the exact same trade that I took on my funded. And for that evil, I'm gonna treat it like good. I'm gonna risk 500 and actually take good trades on like this evil, which I'm treating it like shit. And yeah, I'm just wasting money at this point, bro. Like if I upload this one, I'm just like not get another evil until I get a payout or some shit. But yeah, yeah, let's see. Am I logged in? Oh, I'm not logged in. Fuck. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, I ended up taking the same trade on this account, on like the new My Funded Futures account, and I got stopped break. I ended up getting stopped out because I had my stop just a bit higher. And yeah, unfortunate, but it is what it is. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today. Pretty also right day. I feel like the best trade of the day was probably this long here, and then there wasn't really anything else other than this long here, which I still really liked and stuff. So yeah, that is it for today, and peace out, boys.